The single greatest technique for time management. We're going to talk about it right now. Welcome back to This Baker Life. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method that was developed by Francesco Cirillo in the late 1980s. It's that old. The technique involves breaking your workday into 25-minute intervals, and I love this technique. They're called Pomodoros, and they're separated by these short breaks. The idea is to work on a single task during each Pomodoro and then take a short break to rest and recharge before starting the next one. So you might be asking, how do you even use this? How do you use this Pomodoro technique? Well, the first thing you need to do is choose the task to work on. Then you need to set a timer. This is number 2. Set a timer for 25 minutes. And then number 3, work on that task until that timer goes off. Then 4, take a short break of 5 minutes. And 5, repeat the process, working for 25 minutes and taking another 5-minute break until you've completed 4 Pomodoros. And then number 6, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes after 4 of them. The breaks are important as they give you your brain a chance to rest and recharge. During your breaks, you can do something that's completely, and should do something that's completely unrelated to work, like taking a short walk. I like to go to the park or whatever, doing a quick stretch, or just closing your eyes and taking some deep breaths. Take that time for you, not for your work. The key to the Pomodoro technique is to stay focused on a single task during each Pomodoro. This helps prevent distractions and keeps you from trying to multitask, which we all are obsessed with these days, especially with phones, so that can easily make you less efficient in the long run. Overall, the Pomodoro technique can be a great way to stay focused and productive, especially if you struggle with procrastination or distractions. So here's what I want you to do. Give it a try. We're not going to spend a ton of time on this video. Give it a try, and you'll see whether the Pomodoro technique works well for you. It certainly works well for me, I can tell you that much. It is something that I've used for years. It gives me the opportunity to be highly productive in 25-minute chunks, and it allows me to take those breaks that I need for my own mental health and to feel good about how my day is going. You see, when you take those little breaks in between the Pomodoros or after the Pomodoros, when you take the 15 to 30-minute break, which could be your lunch, it could be the walk I spoke about, whatever it is you're going to use that for. When you take that break, you have the opportunity to enjoy and look back on the rest of your day, what has gone well in your day. The other nice thing that Pomodoros do help for is if you were to look back on the 4 that you did and go, wait a minute, I'm not sure I wanted those things to turn out the way that they did. And if they did, you can go back and correct them before you move on to doing some more Pomodoros after. But what's really key here is to keep to that 25 minutes. Set the timer. Eventually you get used to it. You won't need to set a timer. You just know when 25 minutes is up. You get a chance to actually utilize the break time to do something. Don't just sit there and stare at the ceiling. Don't fiddle with pencils. Don't check Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever it is. That's part of what you can make a Pomodoro, especially if it's business related. But get out, do something, move, stretch, as I said. I like to go for walks in the park, or if there's no park near you or near your office, just walk around the street, just get some fresh air, get out there. That break is so important, and then get back to your Pomodoros. The Pomodoro technique is something that I don't think a lot of people use, but it's a really effective technique in staying productive. I hope this helped you. Like and subscribe if it did. Hit the little bell. There's lots of videos that are coming your way from this channel. And of course, don't forget to check out our other videos here on This Baker Life. And thank you for watching.